Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a walker. I am super excited about this one. I've been wanting to try this. It's the stand-up kind that you can put your elbow on so that it relieves some of the pressure on your wrist. So I have half of it together. This is what it's going to look like. Let's put the rest of it together, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to open up this center part, and then on the back you have the little silver buttons, and you are going to push that and then put these two together. Okay, now on the back here, what's really nice about this is super adjustable, and you can make this much narrower here so that you can get through very small doorways. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this smaller so that you can see. I'm gonna make it the smallest possible. Okay, so there you go. So look how tiny that is. Love that. All right, so step number 2 is you are going to get the wheel. The wheel goes on the outside, and so you need to make sure that this little button, which is going to go in the front, is towards the back to fit here. Okay, so that's how you know which leg. That just clicks in. The legs on this are very adjustable. Look at all those height differences. So you could use this for people of different heights. All right, almost there. Grab the back leg, and again, we are going to pop this on. Okay, and then I'm there. All right, so there we go. All right, now I can use this as a traditional walker, but the beauty of this one is that you have the armrests. Again, you have the push button here, and then you have this little like hook here that's going to fit on the front. So I'm gonna pop that on. Okay, I'm on. Now, this is going to pop up and in. These are adjustable here. So you have 1, 2, and then you have 3 and 4. So I'm gonna put this here. This is working really well for me. I am going to move the camera, show you some close-ups, and then last, before we finish, I want to show you how easily this fits through a narrow doorway. Okay, this comes with a really nice user manual. On the back, you have these, I'm gonna call them like sled feet, which makes it nice and easy to push. If you don't like these, it does come with like regular caps that you can put on there. The wheels are really nice, and look how adjustable this is. So nice. This is going to work for so many different people with different heights. The frame is metal, really, really sturdy, and these are very cushioned, and then the grips are really nice. They're cushioned, and then they have some texture, so that's going to be really easy to hold on to. If you are using this without this top part, this is really nice too, because these are easy to hold. I want to show you how easy this is to put this together to make it small. One hand, look at that. I'm doing that as I am recording, so that's really awesome. They are thinking about everything. Once you get this to the narrowness or the wideness that you want, they have this nice little screw locking feature, which is awesome. Really, really loving this one. Now let's put it through its paces and go through a door. Okay, sorry for this camera angle, but I wanted to show you just how smoothly this moves. Now, this is a bathroom. Let's back her in here. Look at that, tiny doorway, and I am making it through perfectly. This is so incredible. And let's say that I don't want the armrests on for some reason. All I do is find the little push button in the back, and that pops off. And then I would do I would do the same thing to the other side. Pull up my handles here and collapse it. And then look at this. Look how small this is to store. Love this for when you're going to restaurants, because we all know there's not a whole lot of space. You can fold this down and put this next to your table. This would also be so easy to get in and out of your car. Plus, you are going to feel so confident when you are out with this because it gives you such stability. And you are standing up straight so that you can talk to everyone. This thing is so sturdy. I'm lifting my body weight up on this. Can't say enough great things about this. Look how light this is. You are going to love this. Check this one out.